The first circle contains modes and scales. In fact, every possible mode or scale pattern is in the first circle. This is easier than you might expect because there are only 7 patterns which start and end on any one of the 7 possible notes. In a sense, if you've learned one, you've learned them all. Here's a chart of the modes based on their starting point or degree on a major scale. But this is reverse engineering. Describing modes in relation to the major scale is historically backwards. Modes existed long before scales. Western music modes were used since the Middle Ages and were inspired by ancient Greek music. The first degree of a major scale, we obviously find major, and the mode is Ionian. When we move to the second degree of all major scales, we have Dorian Mode. On the third degree of any major scale, we find the Phrygian Mode. And the fourth degree of any major scale, we have the Lydian Mode. The fifth degree, Mixolydian Mode. Now on the sixth degree, again we have both a scale, minor, and a mode, Aeolian. And there are 3 forms of minor which we'll look at when we sing the patterns. And on the 7th degree, we have the Locrian Mode. This chart can be used with 10 major keys. The first pattern, the solfege range, is from La to La. The complete sequence, ascending seconds, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, descending, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Si, La. The applicable keys, La major with 3 sharps, La minor, no sharps or flats, La flat major with 4 flats, La sharp minor with 7 sharps, and La flat minor with 7 flats. The second pattern, from C to C. Ascending seconds, we have Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si. Descending, in reverse, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Si. The applicable keys, C major with 5 sharps, C minor with 2 sharps, C flat major with 2 flats, and C flat minor with 5 flats. The third pattern, from Do to Do. So ascending seconds, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. Descending diatonically, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. The applicable keys, Do major with no sharps or flats, Do minor with 3 flats, Do sharp major with 7 sharps, Do flat major with 7 flats, and Do sharp minor with 4 sharps. The fourth pattern, from Re to Re. So ascending, we have Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re. Descending, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re. The applicable keys, we have Re major with 2 sharps, Re minor with 1 flat, Re flat major with 5 flats, and Re sharp minor with 6 sharps. The fifth pattern, from Mi to Mi. Ascending seconds, going forward, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi. Going backwards, descending seconds, Mi, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi. The applicable keys, Mi major with 4 sharps, Mi minor with 1 sharp, Mi flat major with 3 flats, Mi flat minor with 6 flats. The sixth pattern, contained in the first circle, from Fa to Fa. Ascending diatonically, we have Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. In reverse, going down, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa. The applicable keys, we have Fa major with 1 flat, Fa minor with 4 flats, Fa sharp major with 6 sharps, and Fa sharp minor with 3 sharps. The 7th pattern, from sol to sol. Diatonically ascending, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol. In reverse, sol, fa, mi, re, do, si, la, sol. The applicable keys, we have sol major with 1 sharp, sol minor with 2 flats, sol flat major with 6 flats, and sol sharp minor with 5 sharps.